Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the Make Money Moves channel, and today I'm going to be telling you guys how to make some easy PayPal money. And by doing this method, you should be able to make about $10 every 20 minutes, and if you go at it, $30 per hour, which is pretty good. And if you keep going at it, you could potentially make about $100 in 3.5 hours, which is very good, especially if you're trying to make some money on the side. And this could potentially replace your job if you're doing like a fast food job or a retail job or something, because I can guarantee they're not paying you that much. So we're gonna go over to the website right now, and yeah, I'll see you guys over there in just a second. Alright, now we are actually on the website. Now, as you guys can see, the name of the website is called Try My UI. And this is a pretty big platform. It's actually fairly trusted. So this is for companies to improve their apps, their websites, their blogs, and like the general design of their stuff. So basically, what you're going to be doing on this job is you're going to be basically recording videos of you testing out websites, apps, products, stuff like that, and you're going to give real-time feedback while you're doing that, and you're going to submit it to the person that is conducting the test, and they're going to pay you for it in PayPal money. So they have two buttons here. They have get paid to test, which is probably what you're going to be clicking on, and then they have the free trial. Now what they have, the person that you're going to be working for is going to set up the test, and they're going to give you a list of things to do while you perform the test on the website. They're going to pick a target user. So what that means is if you're from like India or like the UK, the person conducting the test is going to select the person based off where they're at, what their interests are, what kind of background they come from. So if you're living in the United States, you live in a suburban area, and I don't know, you're with a certain insurance company, for example, they're gonna use that information and they're gonna tailor the test towards you because you have experience with that type of stuff. And then you're going to record a video, and after you give that feedback that the company desires, they're going to review it. And if they like what you have to say, or you give them helpful advice, they're going to pay you for it. Now, as you guys can see, these people have used this platform, and as you can see, there's a lot of people that trust this platform. It's like I said, it's a trusted platform, and there's big companies backing Try My UI. Okay, so we have Bose here. Bose is a pretty big headphone company. Most of you probably know what Bose is. Some of you probably even have their products. NBC. Most of you probably know what NBC is. It's a pretty big news network. Amazon. Also huge company. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. So this is backed by a government corporation. That's pretty cool. And then we have British Airways and Priceline.com. So these are all like big companies. So if they can trust this platform, if they back this platform, then you know it's legit. It's good. And right here they just have like stuff that's kind of tailored towards people that are conducting tests. So yeah, if we come down here, companies can either use their own testers, and they can use the Try My UI platform, and then you have mobile user testing. So if you actually have a mobile phone, then you can also do this. And actually what I would recommend is if you have a mobile phone and a laptop, then you can actually maximize the amount of money that you're going to make on here. So you can make twice the amount of money, which is really cool. Now, they also have webinars on here that help you out if you're looking to do some big things on this platform. And then they also have a blog and stuff on here. So this is just more tailored towards like people that are using Try My UI to test their websites, their apps, all that stuff. And then they have case studies, like tips for designing a great usability test, which helps out people that are testers on this platform. They also have resources and stuff on here. And yeah, so if we actually Google this real quick, Try My UI. So we go on Google. They have a Twitter account. They don't really have a really good rating on here. But, I mean, there's a bunch of videos. If you go on the Google Play Store real quick. If we go on the Google Play Store. They have a 4.0 rating. Obviously, there are a lot of bad 1-star reviews. But I would take that with a grain of salt because, to be honest, when someone has just like a slight, a slight problem with something like this, they normally go and resort to giving it 1 star, which is kind of unfair. But there's a lot of 5-star reviews. So if it has a 4-star review on here, obviously it must be pretty good because, yeah, and there's 503 people that rated this. So out of the 503 people that rated this, a lot of them gave it a 5 star. So it can't be that bad of a platform, obviously. So if we keep going, they have a 3.1 on here. Also a pretty decent rating. We can just keep on going. Now on the Apple App Store, they don't really have that great of a rating. But that could be for multiple reasons. I mean, if we look on the main page, it's a 4-star. Yeah, they have a pretty good rating on here. On these like main reviews that most people would find helpful. So it can't be that bad. If we just keep on going, on Trustpilot it has a 2.5 out of 5 stars. So, I mean, yeah, I mean, it really can't be that bad. And I personally think that from the way it looks, it's a pretty good platform. Now, the reason that people are probably giving it bad reviews is because they're just not like patient with some of the stuff on here. If we keep going, I mean, there's like a blog on here. Yeah, there's a blog to help people out if they're out of work for the coronavirus that is going on right now. There's all kinds of cool stuff on here for testers and for people that conduct tests on here. And if you're trying to look to get paid to test, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to come on here. You're going to have to put your full name, your PayPal email, which is, I mean, essential for this method because, yeah, this is how to make some easy PayPal money. You're going to give a password. You're going to confirm that password. And then you're going to confirm that you're not a robot. Hopefully you're not a robot. And then they actually have like some stuff on here on the side. So fast facts. What does a usability test consist of? You're going to record a video featuring your screen and voice as you use a website or app. And you're going to give a short written response and a short follow-up survey after you record the video. How many tests can I do? There is no limit on the number of tests you can do, but you can expect to get a few each week. And then this is definitely not full-time work. So guys, this is not a full-time job. This is just a part-time thing. And this is really just to make a few extra bucks doing something fun in your spare time. So, like I said, guys, this isn't like full-time work, but like I said before, if you're working like a fast food job and you don't really like doing that, obviously most of the time fast food jobs are just part-time. This could be a good way to replace your fast food job. And that's actually kind of one of the reasons that I recommend this method. So yeah, if you guys are looking to make some good money to the side, then I recommend try my UI. I think you guys would really enjoy this platform if you give it a chance. All right, so even though the method that I showed you guys was a really good way to make money, if you're looking to make some passive income, check out the first link in the description below. By following this link, you'll actually have a guide to be able to quit your 9 to 5 and make income online very easily. So yeah, click on the first link in the description. Have a great day, and bye.